Hello, welcome to today's Outlook. Today we will be going over dollar CAD, dollar Swiss, euro New Zealand. Whilst touching on euro Aussie, dollar yen, and euro yen. So let's jump into it. Okay, welcome. The white screens are back. Had to change them. My eyes were sore, and got so many complaints that I had to change them back. So yeah, I'll just risk my eyesight. We'll start with dollar CAD, and what we were looking for was a daily close. I'll just walk you through the thinking behind it. So just breaking down from the higher time frames, we sold off heavily before from these areas, so I do not want to be buying once we start reaching these levels. I like to look for either a retracement to continue higher or a full-blown reversal. So in about these areas, I'm looking at just recent support and resistance on these ranges. So this is most recent support and resistance. Here I was looking for a daily close below yesterday, which we got, so looking to enter short possibly today. This is the level here on the higher time frames. Also I want to mark out this level just below it. So we have our support and resistance level. So looking for a retracement up into there, some sort of bearish price action to take us lower. Be following this channel up into this level. Hopefully I'll get squeezed and then have to pop out and go lower. Well, so that's the idea, and let's see if it follows it. We're also looking at, we were also short dollar Swiss yesterday off this retest. Said yesterday if we get a H1 close back in, collapse the trade, which we got a H1 close here, and we've come up and we've hit Monday's high. So price seems to be being capped between Monday's low and Monday's high. This is last month's high as well, so we would need a strong break below to get short again, but to be honest, this price action does not favour me. It doesn't look great if we go out to the daily. It's just a lot of chop, isn't it, really? So I'll be tend to leave this one now. Don't try and revenge trade it, as they say. Just accept it and move on. Euro New Zealand has not given me any sort of retracement whatsoever, and we still have this gap down here that could potentially be filled. I was looking for some sort of retracement up into this level. We'll see if we can get it, but not looking likely, and then that'll be a big job for Friday. So this could be something for next week to get on board, something to keep on the watch list for sure. Euro Aussie sort of similar, didn't really do anything of note. If I can find you, Euro Aussie, we were looking for potential long. Around these levels here, and it's just fell. So yeah, nothing to write home about. I'm watching dollar yen. We have these highs, were sold off heavily before, now we're above them. So a solid break, this is the level here, a solid break below that, and a break below Monday's low could indicate going lower, but I'm watching this level anyway because it's such a strong level. We could bounce as well, so just waiting for both scenarios, but it needs to come down and hit Monday's low either way. So if it hits Monday's low, bounces back above this level, take it long. If it comes down, strong close, take it short. So two options for you there. Watching Euro Yen on the long term, and I'm watching this level Previous Monday's high acting as resistance here. Resistance. Didn't come up and tag it here, but close enough. I'm just having this level out for future trades. If we get a hitch, won't close above that. That could potentially lead to upside. So not a lot else going on. Mechanical trades will run as they do, and just keeping an eye on them other things. It's dollar CAD being the sort of main play. Need to come up and test this level, and then hopefully break out of this retracement and go lower. So that's your lot for the day. Any questions, you can hit me up. I'm always about, and wishing you the best of luck for the rest of the day and the rest of the week.